Today we're featuring a 2016 Jeep Patriot Sport 4-wheel drive, billet silver metallic in color. It's got 49,000 miles. Got a clean Carfax, 2 previous owners. It's a local trade out of Asheville. All right, we'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. Start here on the driver's side. Everything's in good shape here. It is fitted with the roof rails there. Driver's side's in good shape. Make our way across the rear of the vehicle. Everything looks good here. Down the passenger side. Alright, exterior of this Patriot's in great shape. It's a 4-wheel drive, 2016, 49,000 miles. Local trade from Asheville, clean Carfax. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. The black on black door panels. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Got the black cloth seats with the gray checkered inserts. Okay, driver's seat's in great shape. Does come with a keyless entry key fob. Okay, and then right here is your 4-wheel drive. Okay, right there beside the cup holders. Passenger seat looks good, no problems there. All right, it is an automatic. Got your climate control area here. AM, FM, CD player here. Okay. It's got your cruise control on that side. A couple of factory buttons here to give you some information. We'll show you that in just a second on the dash there. Let's go ahead and check the mileage. Alright, it's got 49,817 miles. Now that we've got it started, let's go ahead and get you back over here to the radio display. Alright. Got your Bluetooth up here. Okay.
Do connect phone.
CD player. Got your climate controls here. Alright, it is an automatic. Got your illuminated cup holders. And then once again, beside the cup holders, you got your 4-wheel drive switch right there. Alright, and then back to the steering wheel, these 2 buttons over here. Just kind of toggle through the menu here. It gives you your trip B, the degrees. It's 50 degrees today, and then back to the mileage, okay? So let's go ahead and hop out. We'll take a look in the back seat. Alright, I'm going to walk around and go ahead and open the rest of the doors. This dark interior, sometimes it's hard to see. So we'll go ahead and open up all these. Let some natural light get in there so you can see exactly what I'm describing. Alright, door panels here look really good, no problems. Back seat carpets nice and clean. Alright, no stains. Back seat cloth looks really good. No issues at all back here. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look in the back. Got the nice thick Motor Trend plastic or rubber liner here. Lift that up, you got your jack and your spare tire under there. Okay, but I'll stand to the side. You can see the depth of just how much space you got back here. It's a good bit of room. Alright, and then the passenger side view here of the back seat. Cloth seats are in really good shape. Take a look at the wheels and tires. Got 16-inch steel wheels. Alright, they're in really good shape. Brand new set of tires. Alright, once again, it's a 2016 Jeep Patriot Sport 4-wheel drive, 49,000 miles. Clean Carfax, 2 previous owners, a local trade out of Asheville. Interior, exterior, in really good shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.